Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chen Rodriguez, Mama's Gary Channel, a faith healer o Zumata reader. So, ngayong hapon natin, tignan natin magsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So, this is a weekly gabay for the month of January 14 hanggang January 20 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano kayong energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Sagittarius. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, tunghayan at bubulabugin natin yan. Angel spirit, please give me an information po. Ano kaya gusto sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga baraha? Okay, there's a set of wands, something a burden. Now, marami kang mga bagay ang pinagdadaanan ngayon. Marami mga suliranin na obligasyon at responsibilidad maaaring pinagdadaanan mo sa ngayon. Now, maaaring, kumaga, you're feeling drained, no? You're feeling exhausted. Not because of this scenario or situation, no? Kumaga, parang napapalibutan ka ng mga negatibo. No? Parang ang bigat-bigat ng sitwasyon mo ngayon, na parang ang bigat-bigat ng kalooban mo. Bakit? Additional messages. Because this is something, the 5 of coins. Oh my God. This is something financial crisis. So, some of you guys, no, nakakaranas talaga ng burden as of now. Nakakaranas ka ngayon talaga ng kahirapan or kumbaga katumbalan sa finances or either kumbaga parang ang tamlay-tamlay or parang ang ilap-ilap sa'yo ng pera. So, let's see what is additional messages. And because this is something, the King of Cups. So, there's a devoted, supportive person, no? May taong sumusupport at gumagabay sa iyo. And there's a Chariot card for an action and movement. So, there's something development. And there's an actions na maaaring unti-unti ng magkaroon ng mga pagbabago, no? At kaganapan sa buhay mo na kailangan mong magpursige at kailangan mo ng kilos at galaw. Additional messages. And because this is something, the Nine of Cups with an offer. There's a something offer, no? With a spirit guides. No? Kumbaga, there's a something offer. There's a something offer for you. There's something proposal, engagement, or there's a something promotion. But this is something in actions. Parang sinasabi sa'yo dito na parang ang bagal pumasok ng offer or swerte. Oh my God, bakit? And this is something that, oh my God, I told you, this is the Kingman. Stock delays, cancellations, no? Oh my goodness, there's something negative. Oh my God, let's see what is the Ten of Wands. Ika-clarify natin yan guys ha. And the Ten of Wands are represented with the Star card, something in healing, and something in hope. No, may pag-asa pa, don't you worry. What is the Five of Coins? Represent what? The Five of Coins represent the Ten of Cups, something happiness. Magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ka dito. After the storms, there is a rainbow, no? Kumbaga, isang parte lang to ng unos na kailangan mong makaraos or matapos, no? Na kailangan mo makasurvive dito. What is the King of Cups? Represent what? The King of Cups represent with a full cup for a leap of faith. Na parang sinasabi dito, may taong talagang sumusuport at gumagabay sa iyo and there's something a new beginning, no? And of course, parang paniniwala at pananampalataya mo dito. Na dahil, kumbaga, itong taon na to ay tapat ka sa kanya. Ganon. And this is a Chariot card. Represent what? Represent with the Queen of Wands. So, something confident, no? Na kailangan, there's something actions, no? With the Chariot card. Kumbaga, kailangan may kilos galaw, kailangan malakas ang loob mo, no? Alisin mo yung panghihina ng kalooban mo or panghihina ng loob mo na baka magkaroon ng ganitong eksena, baka magkamali ka, baka hindi mo magawa. Iwasan mo yung mga ganong thoughts. What is the Nine of Cups? Represent what? This is a Queen of Coins. So, this is something a good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur. Na maraming offers sa'yo, no? Pagdating sa business, pagdating sa finances, no? Kumbaga, There's just something emotional mature. Masyado ka na-mature ka na sa mga kaganapan sa buhay mo, how to manage your money. And this is something the king will represent with strike card. Kailangan mo maging malakas, maging matibay, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo lakasan ng loob mo, maging matapang at harapin, no? Kung ano man yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa kasalukuyan mo. Kailangan, nakakaranas ka kasi ng parang bigat-bigat ng eksena, parang ayaw mong kumilos, parang lagi kang tulog, no? Parang feeling mo lagi kang pagod. And there's an Eight of Swords. There's a lot of negativeness around you. Oh my God, kaya pala nararanasan mo itong burden na to. Kasi there's a lot of toxic, no? Toxic environment. Excuse me. May toxic environment ka dito, toxic situation. So let's see what is the Five of Pentacles because the King of Cups. Ay, the Ten of Cups. The Ten of Cups represent the world ka with the trouble. Na may trouble ka dito, guys, no? Na magdadala sa iyo ng something happiness and the fulfillment, no? The world card is something success, gano'n. What is the King of Cups? Because the Full card. So this is the Page of Swords. Oh, get more information. Marami ka pang bagay na dapat malaman. Oh, there's just something support with an angel spirit now. No? KTK angel spirit. What is the chariot card? Parang binibigay kayo mensahe with an angel's number, signs, gano'n. What is the chariot card? Because the Queen of Wands. Represent with the Tower moment for a major changes. Malaking pagbabago magaganap dito na hindi mo inaakalang pagbabago na gaganapin, no? Kumbaga, may biglaan. What is the Knight of Cups because the Queen of Coins represent with the Justice card, Karma. Oh my God, what goes around comes around. Makukuha mo yung something benefits, no, or something na bagay na pinagtrabahuhan mo. No, there's our hard work is paying off, and this is something consequences. What is the Hangman across the Strength card? Reference with the Five of Swords. Ay, may gumagawa ng complication sa iyo, guys. Kailangan mo lang kasama pakiramdam mo, ha. May gumagawa ng complication. It's either kompetensya or kumbaga inggitera. What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the Ace of Coin and the Ace of Cups. Oh my God! Ibig sabihin, panalo ka with the love life and career. No? Parang malaking factor sa buhay mo ang love life sa career dito. Ibig sabihin, mabilis sa'yo ang swerte nga lang sa ngayon mailap. And this is something, the King of Coin. No? Kailangan maging secure ka, no, sa lahat ng mga bagay na to. May na taong naiingit, no, behind your back, guys. So let's see about sa finances and career. Represent what? And there's a devil. I told you. Sabi ko na nga, may gumagawa ng finances mo. Kaya parang, see, a wake of COVID, a judgment. Di ba? Pinapaalalahanan ka na, you need to pay attention. Meron talagang gumagawa ng eksena dito para adlangan yung pumapasok sa iyo. There's a hermit card. No, pagdating sa lovers mo. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating sa love life, talagang meron na iingit sa partner mo o sa yung dalawa sa relasyon mo. No, sa love life and career mo, dahil yun yung gumagawa ng eksena. Malaki ang inggit sa iyo. No, some of you guys, no, kumbaga nandun ka na sa part na parang ang saya-saya mo, tapos biglang nagbabago, ganon. Kaya wag ka nagbibigay ng information. There's a lot of inggiter sa paligid mo, evil eye. No, pagdating sa health, there's a Three of Cups, something celebration. And because this is something, the King of Swords, stop the pattern. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi magsaserve sa'yo. At the same time, guys, ha, huwag ka nagbibigay ng impormasyon, lalo-lalo sa nararamdaman mo, sa paligid mo. Third party to, guys, no, naiinggit sa'yo. It's either may gusto sa partner mo o may gusto sa'yo, or either a friend of yours or inggit sa pamilya mo. What is additional messages? With an Angel Spirit for a Yin and Yang Oracle deck. For a Yin and Yang Oracle deck, represent with the rejections. Now, there's something losses. Na kailangan marunong kang pakawalan at bitawan yung mga bagay na nawawala. Marunong kang dapat tanggapin na there's something, a reason behind the scenes. And this is something, the karma and the justice will be served. Na may hustisya, huwag ka mag-alala. And there's something, lack and suffering. No, nagsasuffering ka sa nakaraan, no? Mayroon ka dito parang pinanggalingan. I think this is something, sumpa. No? Parang may sinumpa dito na parang malasing ka, lahat ng bagay na, mawala sa'yo, ganon. Unti-unting magkaroon ng bankruptcy, ganon, guys, even sa love life. So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages represent what. And because this is something, business venture, no? Kumbaga, malaking factor dito, magkakaroon ka ng business ideas, and of course, business opportunities, and this is winter for something, a harvest moment, and the answer of your prayer is here. And this is something love life, I told you, malaking factor sa buhay mo ang love life and career, diba? So let's see what is the synchronicities represent what. Let's see what is the synchronicities. There's a changes. Wow. Meron dito unti-unti na magbabago. There's a teacher. Kailangan mo makinig, or either you are also a teacher, or either there's something mentor na tutulong sa'yo at magtuturo sa'yo. There's something friends. Mas bata ka o mas bata sa yung person mo. Let's see what is the Romance Angels represent what. What is the Romance Angels represent what? Represent with, I told you, competition with other women. May ibang babae talaga may eksena dito, guys. Mayroong may inggit sa iyo, and there's a call. And you hear from them, no? Kumbaga, nakakatanggap to ng tawag or parang information sa inyo, no? Nagkakaroon ng inside job, guys, no? Itong tao na to may lihim na inggit sa inyo at ginagawa kayo ng eksena. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Archangel Michael messages represent what? Represent with use your imagination, you see the answer, no? Gamitin mo na mas matalas sa intuition, makikita mo lahat ng kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. And there's a God is in charge. So see, ang ating Panginoon, ang ating mga gabay ay maaaring nandito na, no? Para pinuproteksyonan ka dahil may justice. And there's a something karma talaga. What is the Romance Angels represent what? And there's a finances and career. I told you, di ba? Malaking factor ang finances and career. And give your relationship a chance. Meron ditong ginayuma din. No, pinaghiwalay ng tadhana. Pinaghiwalay ng eksena dito ng tao na to. So let's see what is additional messages with an Eagle Spirit. And of course, this is something book. Oh, there's something, information na parang nakalatag na to talaga na maganap. Parang nasa ano na to, nasa history na or nasa prophecy na parang mangyayari ang mangyayari. This is something a body work. Kailangan mo na massage, exercise. What is the energy represent what? What is the energy represent with the third chakra Archangel Chamuel? About sa yung sikmura at sa ulo mo. And there's a time to decide. No, kailangan mo magdesisyon dito. And there's a blossoming abundance. See, magkakaroon ka na kasaganahan dito, guys, na nag-uumapaw. Let's see what is additional messages with an Eagle Spirit. And because this is something lifting the veil. So, there's a questioning everything. Huwag mo tanungin yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. Hayaan mo siya mangyari ng natural, no? Huwag mong kontrolin, huwag mo ipilit. And this is something, act and follow your intuition. Lagi ka makikinig sa intuitions mo. Pag may gut feeling ka, sundin mo. Dahil there's a something, a judgment for a wake-up call. Or parang pinapaalalahanan ka na you need to pay attention. What is additional messages? And there's a forgiveness, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo pagpatawad, no? And there's an abundance. Kasaganahan. Hindi dahil magpapatawad ka, hindi para sa kanila, para sa sarili mo. Kasi negative yun eh. No? Kung magkakatake mo yung negatibo na yun hanggang sa maging blockages siya. What is the Monsology? Represent what? Step out of your comfort zone. Kailangan mo na kumawala sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo, di ba? And it's time to release negativity. I told you, kailangan mo na pakawalan yung mga nagbibigay negatibo at nagbibigay ng eksena sa'yo. Kaya paulit-ulit at parang nagkakaroon ng back and forth. Kaya parang minsan makakaraos ka tapos biglang bagsak ulit, tumal lahat na naman. Ang bagal pumasok ng pera. Parang kada may darating na pera, doon na mapupunta. Ganun yung nangyayari. And there's the answer yun is coming. So see, lahat ng mga kasagutan sa lahat ng inihiling mo, eto na, ibibigay na sa'yo. What is the chakra messages? And there's a bittersweet. Don't you worry. Pagkatapos ng pait, may tamis ng tagumpay. And there's a completion. Huwag mo yung hayaang mahuli ang lahat, ha? Take an action for this hanggat maaga pa. What is additional messages with an Eagle Spirit? Resolution. Diba? Problem solving. Masusolusyon mo itong problema na to. And there's a right passage. I told you, diba? Makakapasa ka. Matatapos mo to. It's a part lang to ng pagsubok mo. Pero nasa iyo pa rin ang hustisya. What is Archangel Raphael messages? And this is something, use your natural healing abilities. So some of you, kailangan mo rin ng natural healing abilities. Like something herbal, massage, exercise, no? Yung mga natural eksena. What is the Eagle's answer? And this is something big happy changes, no? Malaking pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay mo, na magsisilbing kaligayahan mo. And this is something romance, no? Pagdating sa love life din, malaking factor. And there's a listen into your intuition. Lagi ka makikinig sa gut feeling mo. No, hindi ka nililigaw ng iyong intuition. Hindi ka nililigaw ng ating mga gabay. What is the Jesus loving quote said? Jesus loving quote said, "My Father give you the true bread from the heaven." So see, hindi yan ibibigay sa'yo. Yang bagay o ginawang instrumento ng ating Panginoon, hindi yan ipagkakalob sa'yo kung wala kang mga bagay na malalaman dyan o mabubusog ka dyan sa part na yan, no? Kaya yan ibinigay sa'yo, yung bagay na yan, kasi may kailangan kang maunawaan at kailangan matutunan dyan. Diba? Sa bawat pagsubok, mayroong kang bagay o aral na mabibit-bit at the end of the time. Hanggang sasabihin mo na, kaya pala binigay sa akin yung ganito. Kaya pala dumaan muna ako sa ganun bago ko maramdaman yung mga gantong eksena. Kumbaga, nandun na yung win-win spot eh. Or a win-win outbreak or something. Kumbaga, magtatagumpay ka na, pero ang nangyayari kasi, kumbaga, napanghihinaan ka ng loob. Yun yung kailangan mong pakawalan. Kasi, kailangan mong maging solid yung pananampalataya at tiwala sa ating Panginoon para ipagkaloob niya sa'yo yung good karma na para sa'yo. What is an angel's number? Represent what? And there's a 0505 for unexpected shift. Itong mga bagay na to ay bigla ang pagbabago. Hindi na siya expect mong gusto ganito yung situation, ganito yung bagay na gusto mong mangyari. Hindi mo siya makakontrol. Dahil yung mga bagay na to, bibiglain ka ng eksena at tadhana. And divine intervention, unexpected shift, ayahay, this number serves as a gently acknowledge and gently nudge to pursue whatever interests you most. It is a possible that something could rock your boat, but you end up exactly where you belong, which could be in the arms, your dreams, job, and or abroad, etc. So see, kumbaga magtatagumpay ka sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na gusto mo, pero susubukin ka pa rin ng panahon at pagkakataon at ng ating Panginoon. Diba? So let's see what is additional messages for messages of life. Alam mo guys, etong nabasa ko sa reading mo ngayon ay isang parte ng paghubog sa pagkatao mo. Kung hanggang saan ang pananampalataya at tiwala mo. Diba, kung kakapit ka ba o bibitaw ka pa. And this is a step out of your step by step, no? Kumbaga, unti-unti lang yan, no? Parang hagdan niya na patungo sa liwanag na kailangan mo muna tumaan sa tamang proseso. At sinasabi dito, today, I practice patience, I allow time to fulfill my goals, I understand the wisdom in letting go of control, I know that the true value of each situation lies within creations rather than its the end result. Therefore, I allow my life to unfold step by step, inhabiting each moment to fullest, knowing that my soul is forever rising higher and higher to embrace the light. So see, kumbaga hanggat bawat pagsubok pataas ng pataas hanggang sa dumating ka sa punto na mauunawaan at maiintindihan mo yung bawat eksena at bawat nangyayari sa buhay mo ay may ibig sabihin at kahulugan. Lahat ng bagay na yan ay parte ng instrumento ng ating Panginoon para humugin ka sa kung sino ka talaga. And this is the eyes of the heart. No? Para ikaw mismo, yung puso mo ang makakita no, kung ano yung totoong nilalaman at totoong mensahe ng ating mga gabay. Today, I first see the real beauty of every person I meet. With the eyes of my heart, I see beyond and behind the personality and focus and of the energy love that dwells beneath the surface. I am filled with a wonder at the presence of God in every one of us. The eyes of the heart allow me to see the divine shining everywhere. So see, ikaw mismo makakakita ng liwanag mismo sa ibang bagay, sa iba't ibang sitwasyon, kasi nasa sayo ang paraan para makita at matuklasan ang mga bawat mensahe na binibigay ng ating mga gabay at bawat nilalaman ito. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of January 14 hanggang January 20 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a journey reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, leg-leg nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo at maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!